I miss being next to you. I have never been loved the way you love me. I need to feel you again. I regret not doing it previously. I know you are not like others. I am willing to put the work into this connection. I want to share my everything with you. I am feeling heartbroken because of this silence between us. I won't say and tell you it's always been you. I am grateful that you come into my life. I have never believed in true love and fairy tales concept, but since the day we met, everything felt like a dream come true. You are the kind of person everyone wishes to have. You not only play the role of partner, but also a true friend, guide, teacher, and a biggest motivator. You know, I have never been true about my emotions towards anyone, including myself. And I know you also think that I don't care about you. But the real truth is, it's only I love the most without any conditions or situation. It's true, I have childhood trauma, but my love for you is real. I think about you non-stop. At first, I won't lie. It seemed like you were too good to be true because you were so perfect in every way. You are patient, extremely loyal, and too honest. I was surprised how could someone be so beautiful inside out. You never demanded anything from me. You were the first person who loved me without any conditions or situation. But that's the only thing which left me completely astonished. I mean, in today's world, people love you only they have some hidden agenda. But from where you have come, love, why you are so awesome and loving. I can see in your eyes how pure soul you are. You are complete package of kindness and generosity. I am sorry that I lied to you, not trusted you, made you feel vulnerable and then left you alone without any explanation. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Thank you for watching.